how to manually set up your Nexxt Home Wi-Fi smart lock. Once the lock is installed and paired with the Nexxt Home app, you can proceed with the manual setup. First, set the language of your lock. Tap the front panel and press number 1, followed by the bell key to access the main menu. Then press number 3 to go to settings. There, press number 2 to select the language. Press 1 to keep the lock language in English. Press 2 to switch the language to Spanish. To return to the previous menu, use the lock key. Each time you press it, you'll go one step back until you reach the main screen and finally lock the device. After setting the language, proceed to create the master code for your lock. Once again, tap the front panel and press number 1, followed by the bell key to access the main menu. Then, press number 1 to go to Manage Administrators. The screen will display 2 options, 1 and 2. Select option 1 to add administrators. The full keypad will appear, and the lock will prompt you to enter the user information. Now, enter the new user's 6-digit code followed by the bell key. Then confirm the code when prompted by the lock. If the process is successful, the LED ring will briefly turn green, and your first access code will be set. To test the new access code, lock the door by extending the deadbolt using the turn knob. To unlock it again, simply activate the front panel, enter the 6-digit code you just set, followed by the bell key. If the code is correct, the LED ring will turn green and the lock will unlock. Now let's set up the lock to open with the RFID key card. Access the main menu by pressing key 1, followed by the bell key. Then enter your administrator code followed by the bell key. Once the administrator is verified, the main menu will be activated. Select key 1 for Manage Administrators. In the next menu, press key 1 again to create a new access method. When the lock prompts you to enter the new user information, place the RFID card on the sensor. If the reading is successful, the LED ring will turn green. From now on, you'll be able to unlock the door simply by placing the RFID card on the sensor. Finally, let's set up the fingerprint access method. Once again, access the main menu by pressing key 1 followed by the bell key. Enter your administrator code and press the bell key. Once the administrator is verified, the main menu will be activated. Select key 1 for Manage Administrators. In the next menu, press key 1 again to create a new access method. When the lock prompts you to enter the new user information, place your fingerprint on the reader located inside the LED ring. The lock will ask you to confirm your fingerprint information up to 5 times. If the confirmation is successful, the LED ring will turn green. From now on, you'll be able to unlock the door simply by placing your fingerprint on the sensor.